Hello guys, this is Yuan and I'm going to read you a story, Skeleton Hiccups. Skeleton hiccups is what the skeleton hicking ups the hiccup. Skeleton hiccups. Skeleton woke up. Hic, hic, hic. Had the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. Hic, hic, hic. Took a shower. Brushed his teeth. Hic, hic, hic. Polished his bones. Hic, hic, hic. Carved a pumpkin. Hic, hic, hic. Wrapped some leaves. Hic, hic, hic. Played with ghosts. Hic, hic, hic. Ghosts told skeleton. Hic, hic, hic. Hold your breath. Oh! Hic, hic, hic. Eat some sugar. Hic, hic, hic. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Hic, hic, hic. Hic, hic, hic. Drink some water. Hic, hic, hic. Upside down. Hic, hic, hic. Ghost tomato face. Hic, hic, hic. Say boo to skeleton. Hic, hic, hic. But nothing worked. Hic, hic, hic. The hiccups stayed. Hic, hic, hic. Then Ghost got smart. Hic, hic, hic. Found a mirror. Hic, hic, hic. Held it up. Hic, hic, hic. Skeleton screamed. Hic, hic, hic. Ah! The hiccup left. Hic, hic, hic. They jumped away. Hic, hic, hic. Hooray! You know what? This skeleton is kind of a little bit scary, and don't forget to click the subscribe button in my show.